Influence of temperature on the growth of microorganisms. Microorganisms are particularly susceptible or sensitive because they are unicellular and poikilothermic, which means na nag-vary yung internal temperature nila depende sa klase ng environment. Minimum temperature. This is the lowest temperature at which a microorganism can grow. Below this point, growth stops because enzymatic activity is too slow or cellular processes are inhibited. Optimum temperature. This is the temperature at which a microorganism grows most rapidly. Enzyme activity and metabolism are at their peak. This makes the optimum temperature the most ideal cardinal temperature for microorganisms. Maximum temperature. This is the highest temperature at which a microorganism can grow. Above this point, proteins denature and membrane integrity is lost, halting or stopping growth of microorganisms. There are two classifications of microorganisms based on their tolerance on temperature changes. The first one is stenothermal organism. Stenothermal microorganisms the microorganisms that grow and survive only within a narrow temperature range. They are found in stable environments with minimal temperature fluctuation. Example, thermophilic archaea from deep-sea hydrothermal vents with an optimal growth around 80 to 100 degrees Celsius but can survive much outside that range. Euthermal microorganisms are microorganisms that can grow across a wide range of temperature, can be found in fluctuating environments like soil, freshwater bodies, or wastewater. Examples are E. coli that grows from around 10 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius, and Bacillus subtilis, capable of growing over a wide range due to spore formation. 5 types of microorganisms based on temperature. Psychrophiles. Temperature range can grow at negative 20 degrees Celsius and optimal growth between negative 5 degrees Celsius and 15 degrees Celsius. Characteristics. Enzymes and membranes adapted to function at low temperatures. Have high levels of unsaturated fatty acids in their cell membranes to maintain fluidity. Do not thrive at room temperature or above. Habitat: permanently cold environments like polar regions, deep ocean waters, glaciers, and permafrost. Examples: Colwellia, Psychreritrea, and Psychropacter. Psychrotrophs, also called psychrotolerant. Temperature range can grow at 0 degrees Celsius but prefer 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Characteristics: more adaptable than psychrophiles and can grow in both cold and moderate environments. Major contributor to food spoilage in refrigerated foods. Habitat: soil, water, and refrigerated foods. Examples: Listeria monocytogenes, or a foodborne pathogen, and Pseudomonas fluorescens. Mesophiles. Temperature range: grow best at 25 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Characteristics: include most human pathogens and spoilage organisms. Enzymes function best at body temperature 37 degrees Celsius, making them well suited to infect humans and animals. Habitat: human and animal bodies, soil, and fresh water. Examples: E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, and Salmonella enterica. Thermophiles. Temperature range: optimal growth at 50 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Characteristics: enzymes and proteins are stable at high temperature. Used in industrial applications. Habitat: compost heaps, hot springs, and geothermal soils. Example: Thermus aquaticus, the source of Taq polymerase used in PCR, and Bacillus styrothermophilus. Hyperthermophile. Temperature range: grow best at 80 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius, some even up to 121 degrees Celsius. Characteristics: Archaea dominatus group. Cell membranes contain heat-stable lipids, and enzymes are extremely thermostable, often anaerobic and chemolithotropic. Use of inorganic compounds for energy. Habitat: deep sea hydrothermal vents, volcanic areas, and hot springs. Example: Pyrolobus fumarole, who can survive up to 113 degrees Celsius, and Sulfolobus acidocaldarius.